So now the fun part is the kind of some pushing. You guys need to give the show and tell. A show and tell can be so many things, because you guys are still preparing the show and tell. You can use our slide. There is no problem at all. And then you can do exactly the hands-on what we have done in the workshop. That's also great. And then of course working in a group show and tell, that is also great. And then you also watch how other people did show and tell. You have to do the show and tell. You guys already almost 2 months. You guys have to give the show and tell. Okay. And again, the target is the end of September. Target is we are going to fulfill the target before the September. Actually, we have that. Everything is ready to go. So we are not behind. Of course, you should not be behind, because commitment in 25 hours. I urge you sincerely, the next 6 months, just sacrifice for yourself. Means sacrifice means push the best, do the best, stop all the schedule, stop being lazy. Of course, we are human, we can, but at least do the 6 months, next 6 months, the best possible. I assure you, and I urge you to do both. I assure you, you'll do a very good job. Okay, because time is critical. I'm telling you, I am sharing from the experience. Time is critical. If you do not do things in a timely manner, you will feel like you fail. This is human nature. So that you do not want to feel that, so do it now. Do it the best possible now. Okay. So how to accomplish this? Stop all the schedule and continue engage, continue involved, and you guys are doing very good to join the show and tell sync up call. Keep up those and write the notes. Keep up those. You will see very good job. Even if you are, let's say an example, on September, if you are like a 60%, it's still great. Why? Because you will be 20% behind. You cannot be 100%. If 20% will review everything else, you will go to the market right away. Okay? So you're good. Again, so we have everything targeted and the contents are ready. Everything is ready, but make me proud, make yourself proud. And many of you are answering technical question from taking help from Google or the Chat GPT. I am okay with that. But the catastrophe issues is, if you just answering technical question just for answering, the bad part will be bad. You will not understand anything, and you are answering technical question. You have no, like the basis, you do not understand anything. So do not do this. Make sure this is your learning part. This is the time you are investing your time and effort. Make sure you understand. You don't engage the conversation. Hey, you can copy your answer and paste in the group chat. This is my understanding. What do you guys think? That's the way how you can engage throughout the day. You can ask the question at the same time. You need to put your answer, or you need to provide your answer, what you understood from the video. Two way, you will be engaging, and you actually answer your question as well, and you say, what do you guys think? So you are engaging people, but just do not quickly say, this is the question, what is the answer? Because the answer is there, so listen a little bit, or whatever. If you even answer wrong, you just say, this is my answer, so that other people will be answering, other people will be engaging. So keep up those, and this is very important.